laser live show. So welcome to our live show room. First, let me introduce our company. We are Perfect Laser. You can see this is our front gate. You can see, and one moment. This is our top building. This is our building. Okay, what's inside? Let's see the video.
Manufacturer of industrial laser equipment in China, Optics Valley, Wuhan City, since 2005.
You can see.
We are specialized in
This is our office.
Laser cutter, laser marker, laser welder, die board laser
And
cutter.
this is our place we work. This is the engineer.
Plasma cutter, dot
And this is our workshop.
inkjet printer, CNC letter bending machine, more than 20 series.
This
and
is we
300 types.
manufacture
All our
machine.
products have notable superiority in supporting different clients with special demanding and personal services, executed by reliable quality and reasonable price. Perfect laser products.
You can
get
see
favorable
workers
sales
are
and
very
success,
professional
and
to
outstanding reputation,
welding
not only
every
in China,
wire.
but also popular in more than 180 countries, including USA,
You
Canada,
can see this is our
Germany,
fiber
Italy, Poland,
CO2 laser
Russia,
engraver.
Australia, Brazil, Turkey,
This is a fiber laser marker. This is a marking machine. And this is the dotting marking machine. The CO2 laser. It is a fiber laser cutter, the big machine. It can cut metal. It's the soft weld. This is a CNC router. Okay, this is our Perfect Laser team. Let's see. We all support you. It's our fiber laser marking work video. This is the dotting marking work video. Let's see. Oh, it's the inkjet printer. Okay, now, after you see the video, you may have, sorry, a little noise because it's a workshop and loud air press. The air press is working. Okay, after seeing the video, you may know the general idea of the Perfect Laser. Who is the Perfect Laser? Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer. What machine we manufacture? We manufacture all kinds of laser machines, laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser planing machine, any machine related to the laser, we can customize for you if you have any special request. And we also manufacture the CNC router and bender, the letter bender, the letter ladder, and the 3D acrylic letter related to the advertising field. So we are one-stop. We can supply you the one-stop shop, so you do not need to check each manufacturer and to connect every machine you can collect every machine to just buy from us. Okay, today I want to introduce you the CO2 Laser Engraving Machine. This is the machine. You can see this? Okay, so you can see this is our machine family. You can see from the small size, middle size, and you can see this. Can you see all this? This is for fabric, and this is the big. So you can see a lot of numbers, right? When we ask what the price, and we may ask you what size do you want? Like this 40B is, it can cut, the cutting size is 300 by 200, and this is 60/40. 60/40 means it can cut 600 by 400, and you can see this is the classic mode. This small size 90/60, it can cut 900 by 600, and this is 130 by 90. 130 by 90. This is the machine we're talking most today. This is 1,300 by 900. And we also have this big machine. This is for the clothes cutting. You can see there is a roller to handle the auto fitting platform. It can handle the fabric, make fabric moving ahead, and cutting. There's different pattern. The size we have 1,600 by 1,000. And if you want large size, we have this. You can see this is the 1,300 by 1,800. And we also have this big size. This size. This is for the jeans marking machine. We will talk later. Okay, so you can see this machine. You will probably know what this machine working for. It can cut. This is the, let me show you some pattern. Show you some sample it can do for you. This machine can cut. This is the leather shoes, the leather bag, and maybe the leather clothes. You can see this beautiful design, beautiful pattern. It's cut and very neat. The edge is very neat. You can see this. See this? This is the big pattern. And also you can see this small hole. Many leather shoemaker may need to cut the small hole. You can see this hole. This is the round hole. It's very beautiful for the shoe bag or the for the shoes and the bag pattern. You can see it's very beautiful. Okay, you can see the back side and the face side. Okay. Mostly, this machine can cut acrylic. This is the acrylic pattern. Use the, can see this pattern. It's very beautiful, very dedicated. This is the pattern. And this, if you want to make the acrylic mold, you can see. Let's see. This is the finished product. You can see this small plan. This plan is made by that card. You can see, cut each part and we assemble it. Very beautiful pattern, right? This aircraft. And can engrave on the wood. You can see this. This is the girl, the beautiful girl. The photo, we engraved the photo on this wood. It's very beautiful, right? And we can also cut this. This is the wood cut, acrylic cutting. Okay. Oh, we just broke it. Anyway, so you can see this edge. It is black edge because this is the laser cutting, laser burned edge. So this is the unique type. So if you want to know if it is the laser cutting or not, you just see this edge. If it's like this black, this burn, then it is the laser cutting. Okay, this is the big. And we can also mark some want to mark the logo on the wood. You can see this is our logo. You can see perfect laser, and it's very deep. You can also use this machine to achieve. And okay, this is the wooden box. You want to mark any number or pattern or your logo, you can use this machine. This is the wood marking. This is the box. And also, this is the bamboo. Okay, you can see these beautiful, these so dedicated small characters are made by this machine. Very magic, right? You can see this pattern. You can see it's very beautiful. All these letters, all these characters are engraved by this machine. You can see it's very long, very long. Okay, this is the bamboo. So it's mainly for the aircraft, woodcraft, acrylic craft engraving. So some may even need to cut this. This is the card. You can see the wedding card, the invitation card. You can also use this. You can see this pattern, this hollow pattern. It's very dedicated. Okay, you can see it's beautiful, right? So now you know this machine can do for you. You can cut paper, can cut leather, paper, leather, cut bamboo, can cut the wood, and it can cut the engraver, acrylic, cut the acrylic, and you can engrave the picture on the wood. You can see engrave the picture on the wood. So you may ask what the thickness it can engrave. Okay, this is our very thickness. You can see. I take the map for you. You can see this is the almost 20 millimeter thickness. This is the thumb. You can see this. The edge is very smooth acrylic. So this thickness we can carve. And what about the other thickness? Let me show you. Okay, this is the cutting thickness. This is the cutting thickness we can carve. You can see this acrylic. You can see this side. This side is the power, the laser power, and this is the cutting thickness. Different power can cut different thickness. It's like the you can see the high power, it can cut even thinner. Like 40 watt only can cut 5 mm acrylic, but if you want to cut 20, sorry, this is not 20. If you want to cut 10, then you need to choose 150 watt, that power. So that's the difference. and it can cut the MDF wood, also the thickness. And also the rubber, the leather, the different size. Okay, this is big. If you want this cutting parameter, you can email me. My email is maggie@perfectlaser.net. You can email me. I can send you this cutting parameters. Send you this. Okay. So let me introduce the machine. This machine, let me see. Okay. Number one. In the field, this is the best seller, the best sell size, 130 by 90. This is the best sell. The working size is working size. This is the working size. It's carton size. This is the carton. It's 1,300 by 900. So if your material is big, you can put it on that and it can engrave. Okay, you can see. You can see the table. The table has many holes on it. It's like the honeycomb, right? It's called the honeycomb bed. It's mostly used to cut acrylic, the leather, some soft material, because it can absorb it with the air sucked and make the carting. And some want to cut the wood, that kind of thing, then you will need the live table. What is live table? Here, let me show you this. This is the live table. It's like live. See? Can you see it? Each line it supports the material when you're cutting. So there are two different work tables: the honeycomb table and the live table. This is the cutting head. You can see this here. It's the cutting head. Cutting head. Let me see this. Let me show you the picture of the cutting head. Okay. One moment. Let me show you. Where is it? Okay, it's not in it. But okay, let's finish that. And it also have the guide rail, because how the cutting head move, it needs the guide rail to move. You can see this is move her back and front to let the cutting head move, and it can move from left to right. You can see from left to right. That is working. And so let me show you. So how you control the machine? Oh, it has the panel. Here has the panel, working panel. You can use your U drive, input this, and press the button on this panel, then it can cut. Let me show you some work videos, how it cut. Okay, you can see.
Perfect Laser is world-leading
This is
CO2 laser
cutting
engraver
thumb,
manufacturer.
right?
All of the machines are CE certified. The CO2 Laser Engraver adopts advanced Germany technology using LCD offline control system, Super Laser Optical System, USA imported lens and mirrors, can achieve high precision engraving and cutting for non-metallic materials, such as acrylic, wood, fabric, rubber, etc. Perfect Laser is your best choice for CO2 Laser Engraver. Get a quote today.
Okay, you can see this how it working. You can see the laser cutting head, cut and engraving so quickly to finish the pattern. Any design you want to engrave or you want to cut, you can finish it by this machine. Okay, so what make this machine? Let me show you the details. Okay, let me show you the details. One moment, let me check for you. One moment. One moment. Okay. So if you have any question, you can write me, and I will answer you later. Also, you can check our website, www.perfectlaser.net. You can have a lot of machines. Okay, sorry. Just one moment. Let me check. Okay, machine here. Okay, I have opened it. CO2 machine. Okay, this is our website. You can see it's our different machines, all kinds of size. Now we choose this. This is our 19030. Okay, let me show you this. You can see this sample, all kinds of samples, right? It can acrylic, rubber, the wood, the engraving on glass, even it can engrave on the glass bottom. You can see. Okay. Okay, what the parts make this machine? First, the laser head, and the work bed. I have told you before, the honeycomb bed or the knife bed, and the laser tube. You can see this laser tube. This is a glass laser tube. It's behind the machine. And it has the power. Different power has different cutting ability. I have to show you this. You can see this power. We have the 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 150. The different power of the laser tube. And also the glass laser tube have many brands. The most famous brand is the RECI, R-E-C-I, that brand, the RECI brand. Some may use EFR, that at your choice, because it. And the laser tube, let me show you. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, the laser tube, you may ask, the laser tube can use how many hours? Because if we choose the high quality laser tube, like the RECI laser tube, the life is 10,000 hours. 10,000 hours, you can see 10,000 hours. Some less famous brand may just have 3,000 hours. After you used out the laser tube, you have to replace it. You can see this, the laser tube. It's like the battery. When you use it out, you have to replace it. Let's see, this is the laser tube. Okay, beside the laser tube, there have other the mirror and the lens. The mirror and the lens. So some may be very curious where the mirror and where the lens. Okay. The lens, the focus lens is in the laser cutting head. It's inside it. And the mirror is, there are three mirrors, here and here and back there. Why need three mirrors? Because the laser tube is at the back of the machine. It's inside it. Okay, let me show you here. Here, this is the back side of the machine. Let me open it to you. You can see. Wow. This is the laser tube. Laser tube is at here. How to transfer the laser? Because laser is only works through line way. So how to make the light to that part? So you need the mirror to reflect it. And this you can see this part. This part is the mirror. You can see first this, and then, okay, let me close it. Wow. Okay, and this is the first mirror, and okay, sorry. Oh, sorry, I didn't read. And after first reflect is the second mirror. It's inside this, and then there's third mirror to the laser head, and then it is down to the laser focus lens, and then the laser come out from the laser head. This is how it works. And so if you buy the consumables, you have to buy 3 mirrors because it's the whole pack. You can't buy 1 mirror, 2 mirror. You can buy 3 mirrors as a set, full set. Okay. And what else? Let me check 1 moment. Okay, let me check for you. Okay, this is okay, somebody may ask if you have the red light pointer. Why you need the red light pointer? Because the laser, this laser is invisible. Is 1064 nanometer is invisible, can't be seen by the eye. So you need the red pointer to guide you where you start to cut or engage. This is the right pointer. This is the right pointer. You can point out this part is the right pointer. And you also need the chiller, water chiller. Okay, the water chiller is to cooling the laser tube, because when laser tube working, it generates many heat. How to cooling down it and that work long life. So you need a water chiller. Let's see. Let me show you the water chiller here. Okay, can see this? This is a water chiller. You can see that. Okay, and this also has the pipe. You can see the pipe connected outside. Is the we have the air blower and the air compressor. Air blower to blow the dust and blow the dust and the smoke away, and the okay. The smoke away. Let me show you. Okay, you can see this. This is the pipe. Okay. And some may thought the machine is back and forth through. Some may ask, is machine, because if you want to put the long objects through, you can pass through directly. You can see this. Let me show you. air don't come through the hole, through the back. And if you want to engrave the beer, like the glass bottom, you need to use the rotary. But if you use rotary, you have to use the up and down table, not just this flat table, because you can see this cutting head is very close to the table. But if you use the rotary, how to engrave on the rotary, you need space. So you need to let the workbench lower to have the space for the rotary. So when you need the rotary fixture, you have to use the up and down. These two are together, count by separately. You can see this is true. And oh, okay, one moment. Here, let me show you. Okay, and one problem. Sorry. This. And talking about the water chiller, you may see there are normally you will see 3,000, 5,000, 5,200, three numbers. So what that three numbers mean? The 3,000 is meaning for the laser power under 100 watt, and if you choose 90 watt, you just need to choose 3,000 water chiller. That's enough for 90 watt laser machine. But if you use the machine with higher power, like over the 100 power, like 130, 150, then you need the 5,000 water chiller. That's the standard configuration. And what's that 5,200? That's normally for the double head, because our standard machine is only one cutting head, but other customers may need two cutting head, dual head, so they may need this. So that's the three different water chiller. Okay, and okay, you have known the general idea of this laser machine, right? So one moment, let me show you one thing. One moment, checking. One moment. So you may ask about the price, because you have to compare. Let me tell you how to compare with others for the price. One moment, let me show you one thing. Okay, one moment, I'm checking. This one. Okay. 怎么了？啊？没有问题啊，怎么了？咋了？看图片。Okay. Okay, you may see. Let me show you one of our quotation lists. This is the machine, and this is totally 11. I don't know if you can see it. If you can't see it, just email me, and I will send you the details. Let me read to you. So, the machine first working size, it depends on your material and material size. And the second part is the laser tube power. Normally we call the 130 watt. And the laser tube actually have two power. Is the first is the standard power, and the second figure is the peak power. So normally, if you want to ask the price of 130 watt, and we quote you 130 to 150, that is the range, not just a fixed number. So you better quote the laser tube model number, because you can see the rest have the W6. That means W6 laser tube means 130 to 150 watt. So that will be that will be very correct for the price quoting. And the three part is the single head. If you want single head, or if you want the double head, you can ask us. And the fourth part is the water chiller. Like I said before, 3,000 or 5,000 or 5,200. Normally 5,000 is the common. And then the focus lens and mirror, I have shown you 3 mirror and 1 focus lens. Compare to it. And the red point, and the soft well. The soft well is the RD soft well, the radar RD soft well. And the table, the home table or knife table you want to, and the air compressor and the exhaust fan. And the last point is the training video and the manual, English manual. It's very important. If you are not familiar with the machine, you better use this. You better have this, because some other factories may just sell the machine and don't have the English manual or the training video. That will be a big problem. Okay, so normally when you get these price details, you may see the different price. If you have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. So what is the difference to make this huge price gap? Okay, first let me check, because we have compared with others. This is our comparison. It's our comparison sheet. If you want details, you can email me, maggie@perfectlaser.net. I will send you this comparison, so you can have better idea of how to choose your ideal laser machine. First, this is the thickness body of the shell. This is the body. This is the machine shell. You can see our perfect laser adopts thinker body shell. And the thickness is 3 millimeter. The thickness. It helps make the machine more stable. If you some factory may cut the cost with the thinner machine body, and when it cut the thinker, it will shake and make the pattern not very precision. So that's the problem. That's one problem. You can see. And this machine body, the thickness can very durable. You can use 5 to 10 years. And you can see others, because we have customers showed us because they just use half the thickness, 1.5 millimeter. Yes, it saved the cost, but it can only use 1 year, 2 years, and the machine body collapse. So if machine body collapse, what's the use of this machine? Useless. So you waste the money. So you have to take care of the machine quality. You can see this. This is the one part, and also the second part, the platform, the working platform. This is the main work. You can see we used whether the honeycomb bed or the knife bed, we also use the high quality. You can see we use the made of aluminum alloy, and load bearing and not easy to deform. Not easy to deform. You can see this bed. If you have mass production with this quality bed, you can use very long time. But if you use the less quality work table, after you cut half years, maybe that will deform. The surface is not flat. It will change. You have some ways, and that will affect your cutting or engraving effect. So this is the second part. You can see this. You can see after many years, after half years, this will, if you use less quality the work table, this will deform. Well, not okay. Okay, the third part is that I said the laser tube. I have told you before, the laser tube have many brands. The famous is the RECI, the RECI brand. It can work. It have the life of 10,000. It have the life of 10,000 hours, and some short. Some less famous brand laser tube also can work, but these only have 3,000 hours. So it has three times. You can see the price is also different. This is, and also the laser part. Okay, this tube is. One moment, let me show you laser tube. One moment. Okay, laser tube. The laser parts. Large parts, stamping and online limitation process. So every steps have the different technology, like the guide wheel. Choose the imported headwind. Also, this headwind, there are many other fake brands. They also we use the headwind, but actually the quality is different. If you count, you just see it's headwind, but when it's cutting, the precision is not very good. Sorry. Sorry, this is a little problem. And the water chiller, you can see, water chiller also have many brands. The famous brand is SNA. SNA the brand. Other brand, of course, different configuration, have different price. And also, okay, let's just some parts. One moment, let me show you. Okay. So, why? So you have seen a lot of quotation, a lot of factory. So why you choose perfect laser? Let me tell you this. Why you choose perfect laser? Why you choose perfect laser? First, because we have over 25 years experience in laser field. 25 years, over 25 years, we work the laser machine, all kinds of laser machine. We have experienced a lot of problem and help customers solve it. So we gain the experience. So we know the problem. First time we can solve the problem quickly. And during this problem-solving time, we also improve the machine, make the machine quality very stable. And if the machine quality is stable, then it will have less problem and will save your time and energy. And it will help you to make production very efficient. And also we have engineers, because engineers have many kind of grade, many kind of level, some junior engineer, some senior engineer. So every company will see, we have engineers support you, but what's the quality of the engineer? You don't know, right? But we have over 25 years. Our engineer is very, very senior level. So you don't worry about our machine problem. And let's see, we have the certificate. It's our CE certificate. This CE certificate. And this is our rose. This is our rose certificate. Our rose certificate. Oh, one moment. One moment. Let me check with others. The one mobile is not working. One moment. Okay, one moment, because that's one cell phone had problem, so we have to solve it for stream. Okay, so welcome to watch our live show. If you like our live show, you can click here, give us some likes. You can click here, and you can click here, follow us, so you can know a lot of knowledge of the machine. It can help you to choose which machine to buy, to give you any tips you want. And if you want to get the catalog, you can click here, and you can send us the quotation or send us email. You can email us at info@perfectlaser.net. Anyway, you can. 动了，它不动了，它停了，不知道为什么。Okay, and 不知道是没网了吗？我就是看它上面写的直播已结束了，所以然后 Okay, this is our coupons. You can see if you order here, it's over 3,000. You will get a 50 discount. And if you order over 7,000, you will get 100 discount. Also the 不知道，他银行停了好久了，要不要点 ？Okay, and you can also normally the order only have 12 months warranty, but if you order here, order in the live stream, you can get a 24 months warranty, doubled. It's doubled. Very favorite. Okay, you can see over 3,000, you will get 50 discount. Over 7,000 US dollar, you'll get 100 discount, and also double the warranty. Doubled. You can 24 months doubled. Okay. Let me show you something. Okay, so now, welcome to new friend. Welcome new friend coming. Okay, let me. So now you have the general idea of our machine and the factory. If you have any questions, you can also ask us. One moment. Okay, so who are we? We are Perfect Laser. We are the professional manufacturer. We have over 25 years work experience. You can see this is our So one moment, let me show you our work. Let me show you the video. Okay, here. Okay, let me show you. This is our, you can see this is our company front gate. This is our company front gate. This is our company Perfect Laser building. And you can see it's our video, the Perfect Laser video. You see this is our office where we work. It's our picture. It's our, all these cells are served for you. It's our meeting. This is engineer and the worker. You can see this is how we assemble the machine. Each step we pay attention to it. We have over 25 years experience, so you can see it's our mass production of the fiber laser marker. And this is the laser welding letter. We can also customize the machine for you. Let's see. It's the fiber laser marking the logo. And this is the CO2 laser cutting, and this is the fiber laser cutter, cutting metals. You can see, cut the stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum. This is the CNC router engrave. This is our Perfect Laser team. You can see we all support you. This is the see this the okay, this is our company introduced. So who are we? We are Perfect Laser. We have over 25 years work experience. What we produce? We produce laser cutting machine, laser engraving machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, any machine related to the laser. You can also send us your requirement. We can customize for you. You can see this, the behind it, that's the big laser marking machine we customize for our customer. And we also manufacture the advertising machines related to the advertising letter, like the printer, like the UV fat bed printer, UV wall printer, and the 3D letter bending machine, letter welding machine, and letter forming machine, 3D letter forming machine. So if you have any machine related to this, you can send us quotation, and we can quote you the full range. So it will save your time. You can buy a lot of machine here. Okay, now today one moment. Today let me introduce this machine. This is a CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine. So what this machine can do for you? First, it can cut the leather shoe, leather bag. You can see this beautiful bag pattern. This beautiful pattern. It's the leather, the soft leather. You can use it on the leather shoe, leather bag, leather products. And about the hole, the most important is cutting hole. You know, some machine can't cut the round hole, small hole, so that's the machine difference. You can see this pattern, a lot of hole for the shoes, especially for the shoes and the bag. It's the leather, artificial leather or the real leather. And it can cut paper, the paper card, the invitation card, the wedding card. It can cut this. You can see this pattern. It's beautiful. You can see this is a beautiful pattern. It's cutting. It can cut. It can cut acrylic. You can see this acrylic art craft. It's like the window, that kind of things, and pattern. And you can also use this acrylic to make this 3D mold. You can cut this into pieces and assemble it. This is the assemble the air. You can see this wheel even can move. So it's very dedicated. Even can move. You see, this is very beautiful. You can see. You can cut this, and this acrylic cutting. And also this is the wood cutting. Okay, this wood cutting. Okay, this is the wood cutting, the bicycle wood cutting. You can see it's the edge. When you do the wood cutting, the edge will be burned to the black. That's the feature, unique feature for laser cutting or live cutting, because live don't have this, but the laser burn the wood, so it has the black color. But it can cut very precision, and the edge is very smooth. You can see, very smooth, very dedicated. Okay, and you want to engrave on the wood, you can also use this machine. This is our perfect laser. You can see it's very deep. You can engrave very deep. This is a wood product. Engrave your logo, engrave your pattern. This is the small pattern. You can see, very beautiful, and it's permanent. You can't erase it because it's engraved in the wood. You can't engrave it. You can't remove it. Okay, and also bamboo. If you want, this is our traditional culture. You can see the whole pattern and the whole letter engraved on this. You can see very dedicated letter characters, Chinese characters. all is done by this machine. You can see very long. Okay, this is the whole size. So this is the bamboo. If you are producing bamboo aircraft, you can use this. You can engraving or letters. And if you have pictures, you can also engrave on the wood. You can see this is the picture, the beautiful lady's picture, and we can engrave on it. And you can put it on your wall or any place. It's very beautiful. And you can also make the Christmas tree. Okay, see clearly. Now let's see. You can see this small cutting stars, holes. You can also carve the acrylic tree. When you have the LED light on it, it will be very beautiful. Acrylic cutting. And when we want to know what thickness it can carve, no, I can show you this. This is very thickness acrylic. On the ruler, let me show you. You can see this is 20 millimeter thickness, and the edge is very smoothly. You can see it's very smoothly, like the face. The cutting edge is very smoothly, no lines, not like other machines. It's very smoothly shining, very smoothly. So the cutting thickness, we have the parameter. Let me show you here. Here, this is the cutting thickness. You can see this part is the laser power. Different laser power will cut different thickness. Take acrylic, for example, if 40 watt, it only cuts 5 millimeter. But if you have 100 watt, it can cut 11 to 18 millimeter. And if we choose 150 cut, it can cut over 20. Okay. And also the MDF, the wood, it have the different cutting size. Okay, if you want this cutting thickness parameters, you can email us. We can send you the full PDF for you. You can send me Maggie@perfectlaser.net or info@perfectlaser.net. We can send you this. The whole. You can see the clothes, the leather, the rubber, and the acrylic, and the ABS double color board. Double color board. The thickness. This is our thickness. You can see the inside. It's our thickness. Okay. Beside is our sample machine. You can see this is the whole machine. Have the laser tube behind it. I'm not sure if you see it before, but I'll show you again. Okay. Let me show you the laser tube. Okay, one moment. Here. It's behind the machine. This is the laser tube. You can see, open it. I'm not sure you can see it. You can see. This is the glass laser tube. This is the glass. And when the laser come out, it will have the mirror to reflect it to the laser cutting head. So that will work. Let me send you here. Okay. So, okay, let me here. Okay, now here. Now the mirror, there are 3 mirrors in the machine. At that side, inside, and here. And the light reflect. And then with the focus lens, it's down to the laser cutting head. and then it will make the machine working. Let me show you the work video. A moment. Show you the work video. Show you the work video. Okay. Now you can see it's our machine, how it works. You can see cardless, some. This is how the laser cutting. You can see it's so fast. The cutting the wood, engraving the wood. You can see this pattern. And this cutting the leather. You can see this is the leather cutting. Cutting the butterfly and your logo. This is our machine. Okay. So, machine, the laser tube. Oh, sorry, one moment. Let me close it. Okay, I'm back. And let's close that laser tube. And you can see the laser tube and the reflect mirror and focus lens laser cutting head. And how the laser cutting head move, it guide rear, move up and back, left and right. You can see this is moving, all done by this. You can see this is the panel. This is, oh, sorry. Let me hold it here. This is the panel. You can use your USB driver, insert your pattern and control the machine with this panel. You can also use your computer. We will send you the cutting software together in the machine and install it in your computer, and you can handle the cutting by your computer. Use that software. And this is the work table. You can see. It's the honeycomb work table. It's normally used to cut some soft material and some thin acrylic. If you want to cut thin wood, that kind of thing, you need the live table. The live table, let me show you. The live table works. Live table, here. Here is the work table. You can see this is the live table. This is the live table. It's like so many lines. This is also live table. It can support the material when cutting. So the guide rear and the belt help it moving. And the laser power is related to the laser power supply. So if you want to change that laser power, laser tube, you need to change the laser tube, and if you want to upgrade, because some couple at first just buy 100 watt, and after use 2 or 3 years, he want to upgrade. Said I want to use 130 watt, 150 watt. So you have to buy the laser tube and the power supply, because power supply is together with the laser tube to support different power laser tube. So you have to keep that in mind. Okay, the laser tube and okay, let me send you this. And another part is the water chiller. Let me show you a moment. The water chiller, you can see this water chiller. This is, oh, sorry. This is the advertising. Okay, this is the water chiller. The water chiller normally have the 3,000 watt chiller, 5,000 watt chiller, or 5,200 watt chiller. What does that mean? Because the water chiller used to cool in the laser tube. So if you buy the laser tube under 100 watt, you just need 3,000 water chiller. You can see this small water chiller is enough to support like the 90 watt. But if you use the laser power over 100 watt, like 130, 150, then you need that 5,000 watt chiller. And there is a 5,200 watt chiller. This is for the double head, the laser. Because normally our standard machine only has one cutting head, but some customer may need two heads to double the work efficiency, so they need to use this 5,200 watt chiller. And also, because the water chiller has the different hertz. Our normal hertz is 50 hertz, but some country need 60 hertz. That is the difference. So when you make the order, you need to, we will double check with you what's your power and what's your voltage and what's your hertz. So make sure you can use machine at your place. Okay. And okay, let me show you the parameters. Yes. Normally this machine is, why we call this machine 130/90, because the work size is 1,300 by 900. Normally you will see 4 by 3 feet. That is your size. That is your size at your place. Okay, the laser power, after you check your material thickness and you choose the suitable power to cut or engraving your material. And the laser tube is the glass tube. We have many glass tube brand. The famous brand is REC, REC. It has W2, W4, W6. This is the tube model, in case you make the wrong difference. Because the laser tube have two power numbers. Like if you ask for, I want 100 watt, but actually W2 have the, W4 is 100 to 130, W6 is W2 is 90 to 20. It's the first finger is the standard power. The second finger is the peak power. So you have to double check if you want 90 to 100 or 100 to 120. So better you can write the laser tube model that will make you get the correct machine, correct power. And the repeat location occurrence and the driving mode. Okay, driving mode. Normally we use the step mode, the lead shine step mode. Some customer may need, I want the surf model because surf model is very fast. Yes, it is fast, but surf model is compared with the gear and is normally used for karting. Well, the step model is compared with the is related with the belt transmission, and it's suitable for engraving. So not the fast is the best, it's just the suitable is the best. If you want engraving most and just cutting view, then you better choose the step model part, because we over all these years, most customers choose the step model. Unless if you have special work experience and you know very well of your machine, then you can see, I want a submodel, I want the gear, that kind of parts you ask, then we can customize for you. And the position. Okay, the red light. Let's see. Let me show you here. The red light. Okay, this is the red light pointer. Here you can see the red light point. It's beside that. Beside the laser cutting head, because the glass tube generated the laser is invisible. It's 1064 nanometer. You can't see it, so you need the red point light to guide you where you start to cutting, where you start to engraving. That's the red light. And also the air blower to blow the air away. You can see the tube, the tube behind it. We have that, and to remove that dust, and also the air compressor to use that air compressor and the air blower. Let me show you. It's also behind that. Let me show you here. Okay, you can see this part is the water chiller, and the air blower, air compressor, and the pipe connect outside to let the dust and the smoke away. You can also use that air filter if you have extra budget. You can buy the air filter to clean the air. Okay. And okay, we also have some extra optional. You can see this is the rotary. Some customer may want to engrave the beer bottle. Can see this? See this part? You want to engrave the round object, the glass, you need to use the rotary. But when you choose the rotary fixture, you have to choose the up and down work table. You have to choose up and down work table, because you can see this is the cutting head. The cutting head to the cutting bed, that place only through this, you can see. But if you use rotary, how to put the rotary under the cutting head? So you have to lower your bed to let the rotary have the space. So you need the up and down. That's up and down to lower that table. So that's the key point. Some fabric carting may use this auto fading rolling system, make that each row of the fabric can move through. This is the auto fading. That's a different platform, and some may even carting the label. They may need the CCD. This will scan the pattern and card according to each pattern. So this is the CCD. This is the Astro if you want. Normally standard not include this. Okay. Okay. you can see how this machine can work for you. It can cut on the fabric, textile, it can leather shoe, it can cut long woven clothes, and jeans, paper, the paper, silicone bracelet, and the picture engraving, and the label, and this is all kinds of. And if you are not sure, you can send samples to us. We can cut for you or engrave for you. So also I have showed you some samples already. Let's see. Let's see this leather cutting. The whole. This is a leather shoe, leather bag. That's cutting leather. And wood cutting, and wood engraving picture on the wood cutting engraving, and also engraving logo or pattern on your wood craft. This is the beautiful logo. And engraving, you can see picture the character on the bamboo. This is the bamboo. Okay, this long or very dedicated. You can see this is. Okay. And also cutting the acrylic. You can make this more weird. This is the design, the small plane design, and we assemble it. You can see this here, it even can move, so it's very dedicated. You see this pattern. It will be more durable compared with the wood model, right? You can see. And this is the very shiny acrylic. It's 20 millimeter. You can see. Let me show you. 20 millimeter. Okay, let me here. Okay, you can see 20 millimeter, and the edge is very shining, not like other machine card have lines. It's very shining, the same as the surface. You can see it's shining like the crystal, right? You can see, very beautiful. So this is a machine different quality cutting. And it can also, if you want to make an invitation, can use it. It's the CO2. The engraving machine made it. It's very beautiful. The wedding invitation card. So you will want to know the price of this machine, because I said so many things for you. No? Let me show you. Okay. Oh, sorry. One moment. Let me send you. Okay, you can see our quotation. If you want this quotation detailed, I will send you PDF. you can email me maggie@perfectlaser.com or info@perfectlaser.net. Sorry, .net, .net, .net to get this quotation. So you can see the price. See it clearly. See the price. And you probably get a lot of quotation with different price. So what's the difference? You can see. We made the comparison compare with others because different quality has different price. So the first one is we use the thin body shell. You can see that our perfect laser, we use the 3 mm thin leaf. You can see 3 mm thin leaf. You can see the size here. This makes the machine body very durable, and the thickness can hold the machine steady when you engraving or cutting heavy machine. It won't shake, because we have other customers told us they bought the machine just 1.5 mm thickness and used nearly less than 1 year. It got a rust and it shake, collapsed. Yeah. That's very wasting, because when the machine body collapses, even your other parts can work, but it's still not good for working. You can see this is the other part. And the second part is the working platform. It's also because where to cut the part, the body cut half, and the table cut half, and the left brand cut half. So that makes the price difference. Like the working platform, we use the imported aluminum alloy that made the work table very durable and work a long time, not deformation. Deformation is very terrible. We have other customer, he bought other machine. He told us after cutting half years that work table, they make like a wave. It's not flat, and when you put your soft material on it, it's not flat, and it affect the cutting effect. Is very headache. He have to buy the actual platform. So that's another money wasting. So if you buy this high quality, this smooth table can work a long time, and you don't need to buy actual work table. And actual work table, when you bought it, you just cost another shipping cost. That's another waste. You can see this. If the quality is not good, that the whole platform will not flat. And like wave, and it became deformation. And the third part is the laser tube. Right now, most customers just ask, we want laser tube. Some even use the cheap laser tube because Rust have the laser. Rust is probably the high quality brand. It has a life of 10,000 hours. But other less famous brand laser tube can work only 3,000 hours. It's just 3 times different. You can see 3 times different. I use one laser tube, and you have to use 3 laser tubes with less brand. So you can compare and choose. Okay, this is the laser tube. And the other parts like the guide rail, the step model, and the power supply, that kind of thing. You can also have different brand, different quality. Like the word chiller, the famous brand is S&A, but some use less brand, some use the fake brand. You don't know, because because you can see on the paper all are right the same, but you don't know when they supply you is the fake or genuine. So, okay. Oh, okay. So why you choose Perfect Laser? Let me show you. Okay, here. Oh, one moment. Let me show you this. Here, why you choose Perfect Laser. You can see why you choose Perfect Laser. We have first we are professional manufacturer. We have over 25 years work experience in the laser field. 25 years. With all these years, we handle all the customer problems. We improve the machine quality. We make machine quality more stable and less trouble. So it will save your time and energy. And we have received many customer comments, and you don't need to worry about our machine quality. I can send you if you want. I can show you. First, is machine quality stable? Then you will have less trouble. And second, engineer, because engineer have many different kind of levels. The junior engineer, senior engineer. So a senior engineer can know the problem at first time and solve it quickly. But other engineer may ask this, ask that, and can't solve the key problem. So that's engineer difference. So our engineer is over 25 years since our company born. So you can see their experience can help you a lot, can save your energy and save your time. And our machine normally is 1 year for the whole machine, 10 months for the laser tube, and the lifetime service. Even our customer bought our machine 8-10 years ago. You ask questions, ask the spare parts we can all supply. So don't worry about the lifetime after-sale service. We're always here for you. And talking about engineer oversee service, because before the COVID-19, we send our engineer because some customer really want engineer to on-site to help. We can send our engineer. We have many pictures of engineer on-site to help customer install and help customer training, that kind of things. But after the COVID-19, it's very hard to travel around the world. So we offered online support. Just use the WeChat group meeting, and we can guide you online step by step. Or we can use that team viewer, that kind of a remote control computer, and help you to solve the software problems. And if you have any problem, you can also send a video, send a picture. The more details, we can solve the problem more quickly. So because we are here, we are always here. We are here for over 25 years, so you don't worry. You don't worry about we disappear, because another customer told us they bought the machine after eight months. The sales don't respond their calling, respond their email, and just like disappear. So here you will not get this. We will never abandon customer. We always answer your questions. We're always here for you. Okay, so here. So welcome to see our live show, and if you think our live show can help you learn more machine knowledge and more tips, you can click here, follow us. And also, if you like our live show, you can also click here, like, give us a lot of likes. Thank you. And we have here. And if you ordered in this live show, you will get here. If the order over 3,000, you will get 50 extra discount. If order over 7,000, you will get 100 discount. Also the warranty. Normally the order only 12 months warranty, but if you order here, you will get 24 months warranty. That's doubled. That's very favorable. And now for now, thank you for staying tuned here. And for now, we have 2 sample machines here. These 2 sample machines also for sale. If you want to sell, we can offer you the best price. Like this 2 machine, it served for us marking sample for customer. It's normally it's almost 90% brand new. This 90% new. This is the condition. And if you want this, we can sell this machine at let me check. Sell this machine at 2,500 if you want. Just these 2 machines, 1 machine and 2 machines. This sample machine we are for sale in this live show. If you want 2,500, you can get this machine, the whole set. You see this whole set. And after all this year, after only one year, so the whole condition is about 90% new. So it's very favorable. Don't miss this big sale. And if you order now, you can get, sorry, discount is not possible, but you can get 24 months warranty, 24 months warranty with this big sale, See? And we have 30 Don't worry, we have 30 certificate CE and ROS certificate. Here, ROS. If you have this is Alibaba's golden supplier verified by the SGS. SGS, the famous institution, SGS. You can see it. Okay, so if you have forwarder, you can pick up machine right now here. Here is the machine. You can pick up right now. And if you don't have any forwarder, your agent in China, we can also help you. We can just send us your address. We will help you check in the shipping cost, send to your nearest port. Then you can get the machine. This is a very big sale. Don't miss it. The whole condition. And some customer may already have the machine and want to buy some spare parts. It's okay. Spare parts here. Here. If you want to buy the laser tube, the mirror, and the focus lens, we can also supply for you. Just the laser tube. The laser tube, if you just buy 1 or 2 pieces, that will be a big problem for the shipping cost. The shipping cost may higher than the laser tube price because the shipping cost is charged by the volume weight because the laser tube is very long and the volume weight is like 200, nearly 200 kilo. 200, over 200 kilo. That when you check, the shipping cost will be very high. So it's better when you order the machine, you order Astro laser tube and ship together with the machine. That will save your shipping cost. And also the mirror and the lens is the same. Mirror and the lens is small, so we can send you by the DHL, TNT, UPS, that kind of thing. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so, okay. So you can see, we not only have this machine, we have all size of machine, all size of CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine. Here, you can see, it's the smallest, is 300 by 200. It can set on the table. It can set on the table, can cut acrylic and cut rubber. And we also have the 6040. And you can see this. If we want big size, we have the 1300 by 2500. That size. You can see this is all. If you want to know more details, we can send you our full catalog. Just email us maggie@perfectlaser.net or info@perfectlaser.net. We will send you. So, welcome. So thank you for watching our live show. If you feel our live you have some help for you, you can click here follow. Because we have a lot of machines, not just the CO2 laser engraver or cutter. We have the fiber laser marking, cutting, laser welding, engraving, that kind of thing. If you like, you can click here, give us a lot of likes so we can produce a lot of high quality live stream for you. Thank you. And don't forget this. Anytime if you ordered in this live stream, if over 3,000, you will get 50 discount. If over 7,000, you will give 100 discount. And also the warranty doubled. So after you choose the machine you liked, and you can order here. You can get this more benefit that will get this. The warranty doubled, and if you buy two machines, that will over, and you will get 50 discount extra. Okay, and about this is our CE certificate. You can see our CE certificate. This is our rose certificate. And this is our golden supplier verified by the Alibaba and assured by the SGS, the famous institution here. And we will also make the document, so don't worry about the document, like the commercial invoice, packing list, and the CO, that kind of thing, SASO, that kind. If any document, if you want, you can tell us. We will fulfill with you. Okay. No, let's see. Okay, and you can see this is all our machine detail PDF So if you want this, you can also write us to ask for it. We will send you all the detailed PDF. Anything you want to know, the details, the cutting parameters, that kind of thing we will send you. Just email us. You can visit our website www.perfectlaser.net. We are perfect laser. Don't forget this, perfect laser. You can see all this. So you will learn better. So again, you can let's repeat. We are the professional manufacturer. We manufacture all kinds of laser machine and the CNC machine. If you have special request, we can customize for you. This is our front gate, and this is our building. And let me show you our video.
Is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment in China,
It's our
Optics Valley, Wuhan City.
We are in Wuhan, Optic Valley, near the Rakers
Laser engraver, laser cutter,
headquarters,
laser
near the
marker,
Rakers headquarters.
laser welder, die board laser cutter, 3D
This is our
laser
office.
CNC router, plasma cutter, dot pin maker, inkjet printer,
It's
CNC
our
letter
workshop.
bending machine, more than
It's
20
our
series
engine
and 300 types. All our products have
manufacturer.
superiority
We manufacture
supporting different
machine.
clients with special demanding personal services, executed by reliable quality and reasonable price. Perfect laser products get favorable sales and success, an outstanding reputation not only in China, but also popular in more than 180 countries, including USA, Canada, Germany, Italy, Poland, Russia, Australia, Brazil,
We export
Turkey,
over
Korea,
180 countries.
India, Malaysia to worldwide. We have obtained European CE
We have
certificate,
rich
excellent
experience.
performance and reliable quality. We have powerful R&D capability and work closely with several national patent applications. A number of the core technological achievements and technical indicators at the international advanced level. Our goal is simple: to sell the best machines at the best prices and provide industry-leading customer service. We personally get to know each of our customers, and we know how to discover the most valuable part of our business is perfect laser to help others achieve their goals. We welcome worldwide distributors to contact us today.
This is our perfect laser team. We are here for you. Engraving, the letter wedding, letter bending the advertising letter. This is the CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine. This is inkjet printer, the data coding. If you want, you can also send us quotation. Okay, this is our company. So you can see these two machines here. Today we introduce these two machines. It's for sale because it's the sample machine. It's just almost 90% new. So we give the favorable price is 2,500. If you want, you can let your agent pick up here, right here. We will pack wooden box for you. Don't worry. At least 2 sets. Only 2 sets for sale. If you want just send us email and we will arrange the shipping for you if you don't have the agent in China, and we will just send us your detailed address. We will check the shipping cost for you and send you the full invoice. Okay, now today we introduce the CO2. Today we introduce the CO2 laser engraving machine. We have all kinds of different sizes. The small size on the desktop or the big size to cut 1,300 to by 2,500, different size. If you have other special size requests, you can ask for us. And what this CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine can do for you, it can cut the leather and cut the textile, the long woven clothes, the jeans, the paper, the silicone, the picture, acrylic, the wood, the rubber, and the plastic, and the label, and that kind of thing. Some customer may ask, can I cut the metal? This standard machine can't, but we have the mixtured cutting CO2 laser cutting machine. The cutting head will be different because it need to cut in the metal. That makes the cutting machine can cut metal and non-metal. That will be introduced in the next stream. So in the next live stream. So if you want to know more, you can click here, follow us. Or you can click here if you like our live show. Click here. Or if you want to know more details, you can just write us. You can write Maggie@perfectlaser.net or info@perfectlaser.net. Ask what you want, and we will reply you. Okay. And don't forget, only ordered here, ordered in this live show, you will get this. If you order over 3,000, you can get 50 discount. If you order 7,000, you will get 100 discount. Also the warranty. This is the big part, the doubled. Normally, normal order only have 12 months warranty, but if you ordered here, ordered in this live show, you will get 24 months warranty. That is doubled. You will get a doubled warranty. Okay, so this is our live show. And
Perfect Laser is
let's
world-leading
finally
CO2
see how
laser
to
engraver manufacturer.
cutting
All
and
of the
engraving.
machines are CE certified. The CO2 Laser Engraver adopts advanced Germany technology using LCD offline control system, Super Laser Optical System, USA imported lens and mirrors, can achieve high precision engraving and cutting for non-metallic materials such as acrylic, wood, fabric, rubber, etc. Perfect Laser is your best choice for CO2 laser engraver. Get a quote today.
You get a quote today, and you can see this the work video. And if you want to see other work video like you want to see how to engrave that glass beer bottle, like the rotary with the up and down table, you can email us and we can send you the video. And finally, these two machines, you can see these two machines, 90% new, and this two machine is for sale. It's ready here for sale. If you have agent in China, you can pick up here right now. And the big sale price is only 2,500. 2,500 with the water chiller is 5,000 watt chiller. 5,000 watt chiller. And the laser tube laser tube is 100 watts. Laser tube is 100 watts. And if you want to buy the the spare parts like the laser tube, and if you want to upgrade your machine, you can buy the laser tube and the power supply together. Or if you want the control card, the RD just tell us the model number and we can give you the price. Also the reflect mirror and the focus lens, the guide rail. Any parts you want, you can send us the list, and I will send you the quotation for the spare parts. Okay. Okay, finally, let's take a final look for this before samples. Okay, it's the leather sample for leather shoe, leather bag. You can see, and this is the hole. You can see this small hole, very small hole. It's round. It's very hard to keep the small hole round. When you working in the shoe industry, you will know the leather shoe. You will notice how hard to make this circle in a fully circle. This is very dedicated and need a high quality machine to achieve it. And this is the acrylic cutting. Acrylic cutting the model, cutting the different. Okay, you can see this is the model we made by this cutting, and this is the airplane. This is moving. It's very dedicated cutting. You can see the edge cutting. And it can cut simply. Somebody may ask the cutting. It's the 20. Okay, let me show you. It's the 20 millimeter. 20. You can see 20 millimeter acrylic. The edge is very shining, no lines. It's very smooth, same like the surface. Very smooth, same like the surface. And it can marking your logo on the wood. You can see very deep marking, the very deep logo marking, wood marking. And also the wood cutting. The cutting, you can see the edge. The wood cutting, because it's laser burned, so the edge is brown color. The edge is brown color. This is the unique pattern. And also the bamboo. Also the bamboo. You can see. The bamboo engraving. The letter, very dedicated. You see. You see this bamboo cutting. And also the paper cutting. See this paper cutting. You can see this hole is very beautiful. Even you can see this lace. We can call this lace. This lace. Okay. And this is the wooden. If you have pictures, you can engrave on the wood. It's very beautiful, right? Very beautiful. So now these two machines, you can see this is the honey table machine, very thin, very quality honey table. And let's see, we have key. This is the key. Let's open it. Okay. Oh. Let's open it to see what's inside. Oh, you can see the two box. It's our tube box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the tube box for you. And I can show you what. Okay. I can show you what's inside. The parts. Let me. One moment. Let me checking. Inside, let me see. I will show you what's inside. One moment. So you can write message to me. I can send you anything you want to see. It's very hard to check. Okay, you can see this is the tube, the water tube for the water chiller, and some tool to install the machine. And you can see in the machine the toolbox, the air pressure, the water chiller, and the blower all inside. Because some customers told us that when they buy the machine, they don't get the water chiller. That's very strange because all the machine have. Because our machine all have it. If you get the lower price, some other factory may not offer the water chiller, but they won't tell you at first, so you don't know. Our machine have all the spare parts. Don't worry, all the spare parts. And this is our English manual with the software in it and the English training video inside this U drive. So this is what we sent to you. And you can see this is our wooden box, a very strong wooden box. Because some other customers told us they bought before at the factory, the wooden box broke because the wooden is not strong enough. And let me see more. Let's see. Okay. So send us message or send us email. We will reply you price, the catalog, the cutting parameter, the testing sample picture video. We test a lot for our customers, and anything you want, you can ask us. We will reply you. Okay. So let's close it. It's very strong inside. Okay, this is the key. This is the key. Don't miss this. Maybe probably we hold it here or here. So you have to find it. Okay, so this is key. So these two machines are the same. These two machines are the same. The sample machine we are going to sell. If you want to get your first machine to check it, you can buy these two machines. This is very big, sale is only 250. It's only 2,500 US dollar. You can ask your agent to pick up here. It's only 90% new. It's only 90% new. Okay. And if you order here, only here in this live show, you will get this discount. If order over 3,000 US dollar, you will get 50 discount. If order 7,000 US dollar, you will get 100 discount. But the most important is this, is the warranty. The normal order only have 12 months warranty for the whole machine, but if you order here, you will get a 24 months warranty. So only 12 minutes left for this live show. So if you want, you must hurry up for it. 1 minute. Let me check the message. Okay, so what do you want to cut with this machine? And if you want to know more about our other machine, you can click here, follow us live stream. You will know more about the laser machine and the CNC machine. And if you like our live stream, you can click here, give us more likes. Thank you. And if you have other questions or need get price, get quotation, get the shipping cost, and the video, anything, you just email us. We will send you all you want. Okay. And the last is this two machine. If you want to buy, you must hurry up. Only 2 sets. This 2 set sample machine is stock ready, and the big sale is only 2,500 US dollar with water chiller 5,000, and the laser tube is 100 watt. This tube is 100 watt. Okay. Okay, finally, let's see again about this machine working.
Perfect laser.
Oh, sorry. One moment.
All of the machines are CE certified.
One moment.
The CO2
One
Laser
more
Engraver
time to see
adopts
this
advanced
work
Germany
video.
technology using LCD offline control system, super laser optical system, USA imported lens and mirrors, can achieve high precision engraving and cutting for non-metallic materials such as acrylic, wood, fabric, rubber, etc. Perfect Laser is your best choice for CO2 Laser Engraver. Get a quote today.
Okay. And one last time to see, we are Perfect Laser, very easy to remember. Perfect Laser, perfectlaser.net. You can email us. And this is our building front gate. And
Perfect Laser Wuhan Co.
you can
Limited
see
is a professional
we are in Wuhan, near the Ricoh's headquarters.
China, Optics Valley. Wuhan
Optics
City.
Valley.
Since
We are in
2005.
Optics Valley.
We are specialized in laser engraver, laser cutter, laser marker, laser welder, die board laser cutter, 3D laser engraver, CNC router, plasma cutter, dot pin maker, inkjet printer, CNC letter bending machine, more than 20 series and 300 types. All our products have notable superiority, supporting different clients with special demand and personal services. Executed by reliable quality and reasonable price, Perfect Laser products get favorable sales and success, an outstanding reputation not only in China, but also popular in more than 180 countries, USA, Canada, Germany,
应该差不多了，
Italy, Poland,
还有几分
Russia,
钟了。
Australia, Brazil, Turkey, Korea, Singapore, India, Malaysia to worldwide. We have obtained the European CE certificate with excellent performance and reliable quality. We have powerful R&D capability, and we work closely with several national patent applications. A number of the core technological achievements and technical indicators at the international advanced level. Our goal is simple: to sell the best machines at the best prices and provide industry-leading customer service. We personally get to know each of our customers, and we know how to discover the most valuable part of our business is Perfect Laser to help others achieve their goals. We welcome worldwide distributors to contact us today.
It's our team. Welcome to Perfect Laser. Welcome to choose us. The letter bender for the advertising letter. It's the inkjet printer, the gold coating. It's the fiber laser marker. If you want 3D, we can also make for you. Okay. Now you remembered us, right? We are Perfect Laser. We have over 25 years work experience in the laser field and the CNC machine. So whether the laser cutting machine, laser engraving machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, all kinds of machine related to laser, and the CNC machine like the wood router and the letter bender, letter welder, and the 3D thermoforming machine, we can all supply for you. So if you have any idea or any question about our machine or our company, you can send us email. Our email is info@perfectlaser.net. And for now, these two, Its work size is 1,300 by 900. It's like a 4 by 3 feet at your side. It's for sale because it's sample machine. And only 2,500 US dollar you will get this machine. You can ask your agent in China to pick up here. Right now we will pack with the export wooden box. Or if you don't have agent, we can just give us your address. We can quote the shipping cost for you, and we will arrange shipping to your port, to your seaport, the nearest seaport at your side, and you can pick up there. So this is very favorable price, because this machine we just used for marking sample, for cutting sample for customer, just use this only several times, but it's totally it's almost 90 or 95% new. Very new. You can see this machine really in good condition. And if you ordered here, you will get a 24 hours warranty for the whole machine. So it's very favorable. Only two sets, ready for ready stock for shipment if you want. You can check this quality at first, and after you get used to the machine, and you can upgrade your machine, because this machine can mark many materials, many non-metal material, like leather, for the leather shoe, leather bag, like wood. Can engrave wood pattern, and your marking your logo on wood, and can make the wedding invitation card. You can see marking this, and can cutting acrylic. This is 20 millimeter. This is 20 millimeters. Let me show you this. Let's see, 20 millimeter. 20 is very big, and the edge is very smooth. You can see it's very thickness. You can cut this wood. Cut and make this pattern. Air small plan. You can see this plan. So you can see it's more durable than the wood model. And if you have the LED light under it, it will be very beautiful. Also this Christmas tree, you can see. Okay. Okay, now our live stream is only 2 minutes left, so okay, one moment. So if you like any size of our CO2 laser engraver and cutter, you can send a message to us to get a quotation. And if you want to order here, you can get this. And this is the 24 months warranty. Maybe next live stream you can order to get this. Okay, so which one do you like? The desktop, small size, medium size, standard size, and big size, and the different power, different cutting parameter. We can also send you. Let me show. Okay, this is all the details of the machine. Okay, this is the cutting parameter. We can send you PDF if you want. Just email us. Okay. Oh. Thank you for watching our live stream, and see you next time. Don't forget, we are Perfect Laser. We are the manufacturer. We are the factory. We produce all kinds of laser machine and the CNC machine. We have over 25 years experience. Our machine quality is stable and the engineer is professional. Welcome to inquire us with all kinds of machine you want. Okay. Bye. 可以了，结束了。这里关了。OK。